Namaste, mere pyare bachcho. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so happy you're all here for another fun learning adventure. So today, guess what? We're going to a mela. Yes, a real fair. And along the way, we're going to learn all about money, how to count it, how to spend it, and have a great time doing it. Are you ready? Chalo, let's go.
Oh, just look at that. The giant merry-go-round, all the lights and colors. Wow, can you just feel the excitement? I can almost smell the hot samosas and sweet jalebis. You know, going to the Mela is just the best, isn't it? There are rides, yummy snacks to eat, fun games to play. But for all of that, what do we need? That's right, money.
Now, to help us on our little trip today, we've got a new friend with us. Her name is RuPaul. Come on, let's all say hi, RuPaul. She's at the Mela, just like we are, and she is so ready to have a fantastic day.
So here's the deal. RuPaul's mother gave her 50 rupees to spend at the fair. That's a 5 and a 0. Now, with 50 whole rupees, she can go on some rides, maybe eat some delicious chaat, or even buy a little toy. Let's stick with her and see how her day goes.
Oh, wait, hold on. We've got a bit of a mystery on our hands. So after having an amazing time, RuPaul's friend looked in her pocket and saw she only had 8 rupees left out of the 50 she started with. So the big question is, how much money did she actually spend? Let's put on our detective hats and figure this one out. All right, detectives, it's time to crack the case. We're going to help RuPaul's friend solve this money mystery. And don't you worry, we'll do it all together, one step at a time. You'll see, it's actually super, super easy. Okay, so let's look at this carefully. We're going to work backwards. We know she had 8 rupees left. Just before that, she spent 20 rupees on rides. So let's add those together. 8 plus 20 is 28. See? Easy. Okay, before that, she spent 20 rupees on snacks. So we take our 28 and add 20, which gets us to 48. And right at the beginning, she spent 2 rupees on candies. 48 plus 2 is 50. And look at that, we're back at the 50 rupees she started with. So, how much did she spend in total? Well, let's add up everything she bought. 20 for the rides, plus 20 for the snacks, plus 2 for the candies. It all adds up to 42 rupees. Shabash! Fantastic work, everyone. See, maths is actually really fun. Now that we're pros at adding and subtracting money, it's time to become real money experts. You know, it's so important to recognize our Indian currency, all the different notes and coins. So let's take a closer look. Whoa, check this out. A 500 rupee note. That's a lot of money, right? But wait, have you ever really looked at the picture on the back? Do you recognize this famous place? Take a guess. Yes, you got it. It's the Red Fort, the Lal Kila, right there in Delhi. Isn't that just the coolest thing? Our money has pictures of the beautiful, important places in our country. Next time you get a note, any note, have a close look at it. And now let's look at some coins. On the left, we have an old 25 paise coin. We don't really see these anymore, but ask your grandparents, your daddy or nanny, I'm sure they used them. And on the right, we have a shiny 5 rupee coin that we use every day. Coins change over time, you see. Okay, bacho, listen very, very closely. This is the golden rule of money in India. Everybody say it with me. 1 rupee equals 100 paise. You have to remember this, okay? It's the key to solving pretty much every money problem, I promise. All right, time for a super quick quiz. If 1 rupee is the same as 100 paise, then how many 50 paise coins would you need to make 1 rupee? Think about it. 50 plus what number makes 100? Yes, that's it, 2 50 paise coins. Because 50 plus 50 is 100, which is 1 rupee. You all are so smart. Bahut badhiya. All right, enough studying for a minute. Let's get back to the Mela and play a game. We found the Pop the Balloon stall. And guess what? We can use our new math skills to win some awesome prizes. Are you ready to play? Okay, so here are the rules of the game. It costs 10 rupees to get 3 chances to pop a balloon. But look, each color of balloon has different prize money. Red is 5 rupees, pink is 8, green is 10, blue is 12, and ooh, the yellow one is worth the most, 15 rupees. And look, our friend Matru is playing, and what a fantastic shot he is. He popped a pink one, a green one, and a yellow one. Quick, let's add up his prize money. How much did Matru win in total?
Let's check our answer. The pink balloon was worth 8 rupees. The green was 10, and the yellow is 15. So 8 plus 10 is 18, and then 18 plus 15 is 33. He won 33 rupees. You guys are absolute math champions.
Okay, team, it's time for our last and final challenge of the day. We're going to a shop right here in the Mela. We have some money, and we want to buy something. Let's see if we can figure this out.
So, imagine this. You see a really cool notebook. It's perfect for your schoolwork. You check the price tag and it says 15 rupees. Then, you look in your pocket and you find a 20 rupee note. Okay, I have 2 questions for my little geniuses. First one, is 20 rupees enough money to buy something that costs 15 rupees? And second, if you give the shopkeeper your 20 rupee note, how much money should he give you back? You know, the change.
And the answer is yes. Of course you have enough, because 20 is a bigger number than 15. And to find out the change, we just subtract. So 20 minus 15 is 5. You will get 5 rupees back. Perfect. So, before we finish, let's quickly remember the 3 most important things from our Mela trip today. To find the total money you spent, you add. To find out how much money you have left, you subtract. And what's the golden rule? 1 rupee is always 100 paise. Never ever forget that.
And now it's time for your super fun homework mission. Don't worry, this isn't boring. It's a real-life adventure. The next time you go shopping with your mommy or papa, just watch them. Make a small list of the things they buy and how much each thing costs. You will become a money master in no time. That's all for today, my dear students. Keep practicing, have fun, and I'll see you in our next explainer. Bye-bye.